Hello, everyone, and welcome to the online version of electrical theory. So it's the same thing that I teach in the morning time. It's going to be the same lesson plan as if you were face to face. Class starts on Monday, so the module will be opened Monday at midnight. And you'll have access to the weekly assignments. So I will be recording my face-to-face lectures and then uploading them to Brightspace uh, for you to be able to reference and listen to. I've also included a Zoom link, which I will post every morning before class starts at 7 a.m. So should you have the ability to participate in person, you can hop on the Zoom and then be part of the discussion also. It is not mandatory. You do not have to attend it. Like I said, it will be recorded and then uploaded in that week's module. So like this week, we're going to be talking unit 0, unit 1, electrical safety. We'll be talking Ohm's law and electrical quantities. So those lectures will get recorded and uploaded to that weekly module. So Monday is the start of the week. This class meets on Monday and Wednesday face to face. You'll have the ability to log in anytime during the week and get the assignments done. Like I said, you're not held to uh, the constraints of the actual live theory. So when it comes to doing your homework, I have received a couple of questions on how to go about doing that. So I'll go ahead and walk you through it pretty kind of quickly. So you'll have an understanding of how to go about accessing the textbook and the homework and things like that. So let me just share my screen with you. Okay, so it looks like you are seeing the online version of this. And so here are the announcements where I'll go ahead and upload the Zoom link for that morning for Monday and Wednesday morning's lecture, should you be able to attend live. If not, don't worry about it. Just log in whenever you get a chance and you'll be able to watch the lecture recorded. So should you have any questions, I'm at my office hours at my desk here at TC 107 Monday through Wednesday from 1:45 to 2:45. And of course, since being online and everything, you can always shoot me an email at aramirez184 at cnm.edu. And you can shoot me an email at any time. And so when I log in the morning, I'll be able to answer your questions. So, all right. So moving on, you can access the book in a couple of ways. So if you keep scrolling down here, there's the Get Started module that you can go ahead and you click on. As you're getting started, a statement of professionalism. You can read some of the online etiquette type of things when participating. The next module over is the textbook. So this is where you're going to access. So this is where you'll go ahead and access the textbook, right? I have this link here, Electrical Theory, DO1. You click on that, it's going to take you to Cengage. If you haven't done an online course here at CNM, then you may need to create an account with Cengage. It's going to be different from your CNM. You can use your same CNM login, same CNM email, password if that works for you. But you want to go ahead and sign up on their side so you'll be able to access the book, right? So the materials. So once you get in, um, so after you click the link, it's going to launch into a new tab or window. And then this is what inside the Cengage Mind platform is going to look like. All right. You're not going to have this section here. This is for me to see what's going on. What you're going to be um, more concerned about are on this left-hand side over here. So there's a whole lot in here. I'm mainly using the review questions at the end of each chapter. So, but feel free to play with any of the other type of training things that they have in here. So none of it's going to be required, but it's totally up to you if you want to, or you're logged in, finish your homework, and you want to do a little bit of self-training, and go ahead and dive into this. But for this week, we're going to be in section 1, safety overview. We're going to read that chapter, and we're going to read unit 1, atomic structure. Unit 2, electrical quantities and Ohm's law. So this is what the lectures are going to be on, and will get uploaded. So once you go ahead and you'll click the arrow here, revealing these parts of unit 2. We want to come down here, do the chapter review. Now, like I said, there's going to be review questions, practical applications, and practice problems. You feel free to go ahead and tackle these. They're not required. What is required for your homework are the review questions. So go ahead, hit the review questions, and then it'll give you each of the review questions. So you can go ahead and type in whatever it is the answer is, and answer each question, right? Go ahead and hit save, uh, save and submit. And so once you submit it, it'll shoot me an email telling me that you submitted it. And then on Thursday, when I do all my grading, I'll go ahead and I'll log in here and be able to do all the grading on this Cengage platform. And then you'll be able to have your grade either through the Cengage, you'll have your grade through Cengage, and then also on Brightspace. So then you can see your grades on Brightspace right here. You just open up and hit my grades, go to grades, and it'll pop up your grades. Right? So if you miss the assignment, don't get it turned in, then I'll hit mark a 0. If not, then whatever you scored on your homework, I'll transfer it over here. So you'll be able to get your grades either from Brightspace or Cengage. So that's where the homework is going to be turned in. There's nothing to write down, nothing to upload, none of that fun stuff. You just answer the questions in here, hit submit, and then I'll go ahead and grade it all. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, reach out. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right. Thanks. Have a great semester term.